Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can share a Base44 app project. Now this is going to be extremely simple and I'm going to provide you with different methods, okay? So I just want you to go to the app section in Base44. I'm going to click on this one here. This is an example app that I have. As you can see, this is what opens, okay? This kind of app in here. And now you basically have the share button, which is what we're going to use, okay? So just click in here, click on share button, okay? Now, if you copy this link, you can send it to people, and they're going to be able to access your, app publicly. Okay, so you don't actually have to do anything. Just send them the link, and that's going to be it. However, if you want to send them a specific invite, you can also do so by clicking in here in email address, and just putting their email in here and selecting the access level. If you have a free plan, they can only be a user, but if you have like a premium plan, they can also get admin permissions, okay? But I'm just gonna select user and just click on send invitation. Now, how can you actually choose who can join your app or access your app? You just have to go to settings, app settings, and then click on app visibility, and you can set it to private or public. Okay, guys? So, yep, that's pretty much it, and thank you so much.